What's up, everybody? It's Blaine's blog, but I have a video that's not very happy. So I've been walking around the garden, and I'll show you all the plants that have died or are very sick from the -2 degrees Fahrenheit that hit this time last week. And as you can tell, as you're looking at this wax myrtle tree, I think it's I don't know. Look at it, it's brown. All the leaves are brown. They're falling off. They're going to fall off. If they're not right now, they've already started to fall off. Look at all those leaves down there. Yeah, this thing, if you can't really tell, let me back up. Let me back up. You can kind of see that now. Yeah, it's brown. The entire tree is brown. This used to be a very bright green color, and yeah, it's not dead, it's alive. But actually, oh gosh, ew. There are those pollen catkins on there. Ugh, it went everywhere. But yeah, we'll see if this is gonna survive or not. That'd be so sad if this died. Do you know why? One thing, well, we got these like 5 years ago. They were just really starting to grow, and then they just got very sick. I'm not gonna say they're dead yet, but they are looking like they're going to die if they don't shoot out new shoots. But look at that. Look at these leaves. They're brown as dirt. So sad. Okay, I'm gonna show you the other plants that have died so you guys don't get so bored. Next stuff is this bush that is yeah. This thing is not supposed to look like this. It's not deciduous. It's actually an evergreen, but it can survive down to. This is the biggest freeze. This is the biggest deep, like the coldest it's been in 40 years. So all the plants that are related to our zone are suffering. And yeah, I don't know if this is dead or not, but if it is dead, then we're gonna take that out. Which I don't. It's alive. It's still flexible, but we'll see. It's only a week. But there's also like a bunch of, yeah, we'll see. But look at that. It was so bad that this massive tree even got damaged. Look at the leaves. Some have freeze burn on them. See that? They're all brown on the tips and stuff. Like brown in the top half of the leaf. Yeah, that's crazy, guys. That's not in danger, but that's gotten little, I say, frostbite for plants, because that's never supposed to happen. And this thing's also kind of. It's fine, but see, it's brown. It's starting to freeze. Surprisingly, this little strawberry survived. I don't know how that happened, but yeah, the roses. I will see if they lost all the leaves. We'll see if they're gonna be fine. I think they'll be all right. Over here is this used to be this triangle-shaped leaf plant that has purple triangle-shaped leaves and little white flowers. Yeah, it's not. You can't tell what it was anymore. This is the plant now. Those are not the leaves. Those are just leaves from the tree. This is another one of those bushes you saw over there. Yeah, it's looking the same. Dead or sick. This sun rose is also it's alive, actually. Look, it's alive. So how did it survive? It's a succulent. I don't know how it survived. Maybe it's because it's on the concrete. But if you know what sun roses are, most of it's dead. But if you don't know what sun roses are, they're like this succulent that crawls on the ground and produces tiny little the pink flowers. You just kind of see a pink flower there. It's dead though. But they produce tiny pink flowers, and it's still living. Look at that. It's alive. It's just. Most of it's just dead, though. Look at that, dead. And then, yes, there's this thing. Look at that, it just crumbles in your hand. These things been here since the house was here, which is like, 40 years ago. Yeah, they're not gonna, I don't know how good they're gonna do. This gardenia, it's dead. This is for sure dead. Yeah, it breaks easily. Look at this. And then look, there's there's no green in that. It's dead. Look at that, it just crumbles. Dead. What else? Nothing else is dead that I see that's alive. If you're wondering how my orange tree survived, I put it inside. But yeah, so I gotta show you my other stuff that's also dead. There's this has actually got damage too. It's like a grass type stuff. Mint almost died. The mint almost died. There's still mint though. Flowers survived. I don't know how that happened. The winter flowers, so I'm not too surprised. This big bush also got frostbite too, -2 degrees. It's fine. The ones that aren't fine are over here. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Yeah, it's not looking too great. This is supposed to be green and it's brown. That one died because of disease, but these ones are looking like they're gonna be goners too. And everything's dying, isn't it? I think that's, oh yes, the garden. The garden got hit too. These kales, I'm just gonna pull out. They're dead. I'll just do it now. They're not coming back. Might as well. There. I'll just compost that. I'll just I'll deal with that later. But as you can tell, these cabbages are fine. This cabbage is dead. Look at that. That's nowhere that's coming out. That's no. If you guys are gonna say this is the comeback, it's a cabbage. It has the form of, yeah, that's dead. Okay, you're coming out. Plus spring is coming anyways, so I gotta make room for all my summer crops. It's 81 degrees here right now, guys. These are fine. Anything that has damage to the terminal growth is gonna come out. These are nice looking heads. They're starting to develop. Nothing developing yet. Oh yeah, those are dead too. All the kale's dead. Kale, that's yellow. It's weird looking. Shake it out. These root systems are still pretty small too. Go, it's got the dirt out of that because that's very expensive dirt. Nice dirt. Can't waste it. What else? This is actually, yeah, that's dead. That's crumbly. Sorry, buddy. I am not gonna waste time on you, though. Yeet. All right, I think that's all. This is alive, has terminal growth. This is fine too. No damage to the middle part, the new leaves. That's fine. These are fine. These are garlic that I planted. I'm kind of sad that they're all damaged. Let's see. These are fine. Even though the leaves look very bad. Look at that. They're still producing food, so I think it'll be fine. I'm gonna trim that off. And this oleander's also dead too. Goner. That dry, crispy leaves. They're green, but they're not. Look at that. It just breaks. That's dead. That's actually dead. Look at it. Anyways, guys, so that's all the videos I'm going to show you. That's all that's dead and sick. And that's the most concerning thing right there, that tree. It's all brown. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.